Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back at you with another eyeshadow tutorial. I know, I've been doing a lot lately, I know. But today I'm gonna do green. I know, I thought so myself, But green, I feel like I have a couple green colors here. I'm using the Morphe Dare to Create palette, which I've been using every single day lately because I love it. So I'm gonna be using, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 colors here that I feel like can make a pretty cool green smoky eye look. So today I'm going to be using the trick that I used in my smoky eye hacks tutorial video. So I'm gonna take some Scotch tape. This time I'm gonna take a little bit less because I don't want it to be on my under eye here. Because when I filmed that video, gosh, it was that uncomfortable, so. There, that looks even. Okay. Now, as always, I'm going to prime my eyes with the exact same thing that I prime my eyes with every single time. Actually, you know what? Nope. I'm gonna switch it up on you guys. I'm gonna switch it up. And I'm gonna use concealer. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10. Boop. Just like that. And I'm going to use a beauty blender. And then I watched this video today where she set her like eye primer with a beauty blender, like with the translucent powder on a beauty blender, and I thought, I have never tried that before, so we're gonna try it today. So I would say that it's a little bit too much powder, like you gotta go in with a light hand, but yeah, I kind of like it. It looks really smooth actually. So now I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown eye blender, and let me scooch a little bit closer. I might have been out of focus, I'm sorry if I was. Now I'm gonna take the shades Bare and Canvas as a transition. Nice and even, looks smooth. Now I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to use the shade Fickle. Yep, that olive green color right there. And I'm gonna blend that in my outer V crease area. I got it on the transition area, so just taking a little bit more Bare and going over there because I messed up that area a little bit. It's okay. Okay, so I apologize if you can hear like heavy machinery moving around outside. My neighbor owns a bobcat and is always doing something in their yard, so I'm sorry. Now I'm going to take the color Pine, which is a darker green shade than Fickle, and I'm going to put that a little bit tighter in my crease and my line right here. What's that called? Outer V. Sorry, I don't know why I couldn't think of that. Going back in with a blender brush and Fickle. Sorry. Fickle, and I'm going to blend that out. I don't think I've ever done a green look on my eyes, and I really like it. I like this right now. So now I'm going to take my color switch and get this packer brush all clean because I've been using, I need to clean my brushes, okay? I've been using lots of colors lately and they just need to be cleaned. So I'm gonna try and do this without putting, I don't really wanna put more concealer down, so I'm gonna take the color So Glam and I'm gonna spritz it, hold on. Spritz with some setting spray. You can even use water, like you do not need to use setting spray or Fix Plus, just use water, honestly. Wait, where you at though? Hold on, I need to mirror this closer. I can definitely tell like that I used setting spray on my eyes right there, so you get this one wet and put some there. That looks pretty. Okay, now I'm going to kind of just brush my eyelashes a little bit because, you know, I should be getting them done again, but hold on, I dropped a brush. But honestly, I don't know if I want to keep them. I really like them. They're super pretty, but it's kind of, I don't know, like, I kind of want to change out my eyeshadow, like my eye look. Not my eye look, my eyelash look, like different style eyelashes. And it's impossible to do it with lash extensions. And sometimes they kind of hurt a little bit, like, when I'm sleeping, so. Yeah, but I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Now I'm just taking off that tape. Ooh! That's a sharp line. Going back in with the same blender brush. I'm not picking up any extra product. I'm just blending right there. Get this harsh line out of the way. Ooh. Yes, okay. Now, I'm going to prime my skin by using, I'm gonna actually first put a little bit of moisturizer because I'm dry. I just washed my face before this. I really think that I'm the only person that does not like putting eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I mean, I'll put a little bit, but I just don't think I'm really good at putting it down there because it looks kind of weird to me. Unless it's like a brown color. Like, it looks beautiful on other people. I don't know how to do it. Oh, I forgot to tell you what moisturizer I'm using. I'm using the Physicians Formula Picture Perfect Day Moisturizer. This stuff is bomb. I like it better than, do I have it here? I don't know where it is. But the Clinique one that I've been using, I like that one better because the Clinique one's gel and it kind of makes me feel a little bit oily. I don't know, but I really like it. Now I'm taking the Professional Radiant Version Primer, filling in my pores because this makes you look poreless. And now taking a little bit of the Smashbox Primer Oil. I love this stuff. Now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation and I'm just gonna, you know, Instagram model this kind of whoop. Perfect. Now I'm going to conceal under my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. That foundation is so dark for my skin. Like, I think every single foundation I own is too dark for my skin because I always buy foundation in the summer. Like, all this new foundation I have, I bought it all in the summer, so it doesn't, bad idea. Need some winter colors. And then I'm going to put some on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Laura Mercier as always, and I'm going to bake under my eyes a little bit. And then using another powder brush, I'm just going to powder the rest of my face. Alright, and now I'm just going to bronze up my skin. I'm kind of thinking that I want to use something from this palette to bronze my skin. I've seen people do it. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. Why not? Okay, I'm going to take the shade Sunder. Is that how you pronounce that? That was instant regret right there. I'm gonna use the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, but I am going to try the shade, where is it? What does that say? Define Me as a blush. I saw Alyssa Ashley do this and it looked so pretty. Nope, I hate it. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Where's my eyebrow? There it is. I found it. I need to brush it out first. For highlighter, I'm going to use Yeah, Becca Champagne Pop. I really love this stuff. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's so weird. I'm like, I love highlighting right here. Ooh, that's a little bit, that's too intense. Ooh, I made a mistake. It's okay. Oh, she looks pretty. Okay. Now I'm going to, hold on, my eyes are stuck. Okay, now, what should I do? I think I'm going to, yeah, I'm gonna use, I'll do my under eye, my lash line. Let's see. I'm going to use the color, for highlighter, I'm going to use, yeah, Becca Champagne Pop. I really love this stuff. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's so weird. I'm like, I love highlighting right here. Ooh, that's a little bit, that's too intense. Ooh, I made a mistake. It's okay. Oh, she looks pretty. Okay. Now I'm going to, hold on, my eyes are stuck. Okay, now, what should I do? I think I'm going to, yeah, I'm gonna use, I'll do my under eye, my lash line. Let's see. I'm going to use the color, Fickle. Let's see what that looks like. All right, I think this look looks super pretty. I really like the green. I've never done a green eyeshadow look. I'm kind of digging it. All right, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.